Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can create an OpenAI account on your device. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, make sure that you're well connected with your internet service, and then you need to open up your web browser. Use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, type in the link that is .openai.com, and I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below. As you type in the link, you'll be taken to the sign up or login interface. If you already have an account, then you need to log in into your account by selecting the login method. That is, you can either enter in your email address, continue with your Google account or Microsoft account. If you're new to an OpenAI account, then click on sign up, which is right at the bottom. So there are different methods of creating your account. You can either sign up with your email address, or you can continue with your Google account or your Microsoft account. So select the method whichever is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm going to go with the email address. And once you're done entering your email address, click on continue, which is right at the bottom. Since you're creating an account, it is mandatory that you need to create a password. So make sure to create a strong password and then click on continue, which is right at the bottom. So then you need to verify your account. So for that, a confirmation email has been sent. So you need to click on the link. So now open up your email. As you can see that I've received a verification email. Now all you need to do is open it up. You need to click on this link that is verify email address. So as you can see that I've successfully verified my account. Now all you need to do is just tap on this login option and then click on continue. Now enter in the password that you've recently created. Now you need to provide in your personal information. So you need to provide your first name, last name, and then click on continue. So you also need to provide in your phone number. So once you've done entering your phone number, a verification code will be sent through an SMS. So you need to enter in the verification code, and after that you've successfully signed up with OpenAI account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.